Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. For the second time today we are going to run binary option robot Alpha Master. You can download this robot also completely for free. Just use the link you see up there right now, or just use the link you find below the video. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, put them below the video. But now, let's start up Alpha Master. And there we have it, as we run the robot for the second time today. Every trade now was from 10.03.24, as you see up there now. We made 7 trades, 4 winners, that's around 60% win rate. We made a total profit of $153. You can download this robot also, just push this robot thing you see up here right now, or you can just use the link you find below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.